Hey, but do not worry, folks. You will be reunited with your children in just a moment. I do have a friend waiting for them inside. And those children will return to you as little children and not as little teacups.
You might be turning
At
into a
least one
teacup.
person got the joke.
Ooh, now we're going to the cat. Oh, look. Look, it's the wardrobe.
Adults in the back can move all the way down, please.
Leave our kids here.
Adults in the back can move
Oh, we can
all
go
the way
around the
down.
other side.
Come see over here, buddy.
You can see me, can't you? Yes! Oh, I'm so excited. Are we all here? Oh, ready to begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Bonjour, everyone.
Bonjour.
Aren't you a good-looking bunch? Especially you in the back.
Thank you.
This is so exciting. Tonight's the night Belle and the Beast fall in love. Well, at least we hope so. And to help move things along, you're all going to surprise Belle and act out the story of how they met. Oh, I can hardly wait.
You guys want to help us surprise Bill?
You want a surprise bell?
Are you sure?
Wonderful. And we have enough parts for everyone. First, we need 2 big, strong suits of armor to march around and protect the
Tall and
castle.
small, everybody march, 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 march. There you go.
Thank you.
You can come guard this side.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir.
And you, sir, can guard this side. Stand right here on this side. Then scoot over that way.
Oh,
just a little
and
bit.
of course,
Scoot over that way.
we'll need someone to play the master, the Beast. He has a mighty roar.
Roar.
Let's see you do it. You gotta roar.
Roar.
There you go. That's better. You're pretty ferocious. You could be a beast.
Next, we need Belle's father, Maurice. Maurice gets locked in a dungeon where he shivers from the cold.
Cool. Let's see you shiver, shiver like Maurice. There you go. Come stand over here by this guard.
And of course,